Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can get to Facebook app in your phone. Okay, so this is really short tutorial for you. Please watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So I'm just gonna bring the Facebook app on my home page to uh, show you how it's work. So you can see here is Facebook app. So we need to go settings now. So this is settings. So go to scroll down and here you can see app cloner, this one, and there is a important information for you. So app cloner, this option is not available for every device. In Samsung device you can see dual messenger and other branding phone there, like this option duplicate app or create app cloner or duplicate message or something like that. So you need to find out your option. So I'm using Realme phone, so in my case it's called app cloner. So click app cloner and then you can see the first option Facebook. It's by default it's off, so click on the icon and it's now turn on. So minimize your app settings, minimize your settings, and now you can see my two Facebook here, so you can log into different account for two apps. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and please consider to subscribe my channel and also give the like of the video on the video, and if you face any problem please let me know in comment below. Today is no more friend, and thank you for watching this tutorial.